Well, good morning, or now afternoon. I think it's about 12 p.m. Let's run in real quick and take a look at the sun. Apparently, I was watching Nemesis Maturity Channel. Let's get this in focus first. There. Apparently, we have this coronal hole rotating around, and I wanted to get some, see if there's any sunspots showing up. I didn't think there was, but there apparently is on the very bottom. Let's see if it'll come into focus. It should be right around here somewhere. I saw it on one still picture. Okay, let's see. I didn't notice anything over on the left-hand edge or around any of the edges except the very, very bottom, which was odd. I normally don't see them down there. And that should pick it up because it was only a few minutes ago when I took the footage and it was right down there somewhere. So, okay, that should do it. Yeah, and they said there's this big solar wind incoming to Earth and from this coronal hole that's formed on the, or rotated around from the backside. Anyway, safe and wonderful. Let me fix this tripod first. I had to tilt at such an angle. But anyway, so I hope your day goes well. You're safe and all goes well. Take care. Bye now.